Okay, at the conclusion of this video clip, you'll know how to set tabs and use tabs and insert symbols and use borders and shading. Okay, the first really easy one is inserting symbols, and if you, wherever you're at in your document, wherever your cursor's at, that's where it will appear. And to insert a symbol, let's go to the Insert tab. And right here is symbol, and you can click the down arrow. And there are some that have been used recently by me, but you can see what some of them are, like the trademark sign, then you have the copyright sign. If the sign you're looking for isn't there, you can click more symbols, and according to the font that you use, you can see that there's all kinds here just for the symbol font, but you can also pick a different font, and you can see that there's different options for different fonts. So right here, maybe I want the tilde over the O. I'm going to go Insert and Close, and there it put it in for me. Okay, and you can always change the font for that to whatever font you want and whatever size you want in color. Okay, so that's Insert Symbol. The other one, Borders and Shading, you can do by looking at the Page Layout tab. Actually, it's Design. And then for page borders, you can see way over on the far right side, there's 3 tabs: Borders, Page Border, and Shading. All the Borders and the Page Borders tabs look very much alike. So if you're doing it for the whole document, you click Page Border, you will have the option of Art. If you're on the Borders tab, the Art option will not be there. Okay, so a page border obviously is around the whole document, and you can pick from different graphics if you want. I'm going to pick this one, and of course you can change the size of it here if you'd like. Apply to whole document and say OK, and so then that's what that does. Okay, you can also choose to add borders and shading to just one paragraph or one word. I'm going to do page border here, and this one I'm going to click borders, and you can already see in the preview here that there is shading already established, and we already know that there. So we can go to shading actually, and we can change that if we'd like, maybe to orange. We could do a pattern and apply to paragraph. Okay, then what that will do when we tell it apply to paragraph, it extends it all the way over. Okay, if we tell it to apply to text, it will only do it, well, you can't see because I used the same. Okay, let's try it again. Shading, and this time we will change it to darker, and we'll make it be blue this time, and I'm going to apply to text, and you can see that it will just do it only for the text instead of the whole paragraph, which would include the whole line. And the border for a paragraph works the same way. Okay, although if you click custom, you can choose different lines. Like I can pick this dashed line, and I can make the width be I can change the width, I can change the color, and I can make this border be the border here on just the left side by just clicking on this line or clicking here. This will turn it on and off for the left side. Okay, I could also maybe I want this one on the right side. Top. And then maybe I don't want anything on the bottom. So then I click over here and make sure nothing's there. Apply to paragraph and say OK. And now there is my funky border with each side being different and the bottom having no border. So you have complete control over borders and shading.